What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So right now in this video I'll be talking about a type of arbitrage strategy that I've not actually talked about on this channel before, okay? And that is the futures and perpetual arbitrage. All right, now this particular arbitrage has to do with the futures and perpetual markets, and in this video I'll be giving you a basic introduction to that arbitrage, and I'll explain some few things on how you can spot it and how it is being performed and how profit can be made performing that arbitrage. Okay, so I'd like you to watch the video to the end so that I can basically understand this arbitrage strategy. All right. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right now. So, guys, before you can be able to perform this arbitrage, you need to actually have experience in the spot or perpetual market. Okay. So, when you come to your exchange, if you come to the trade section, if you click on features, you find the features market. Okay. So, right here, you find pairs that are in the features market this way. All right. Now, unlike the spot or cross exchange arbitrage, where you have to actually buy low on one exchange and actually sell higher on the other exchange quickly, the futures and perpetual arbitrage has to do with you actually longing on one market and actually shorting on another market. Okay, on spot market you are buying and you're selling, meanwhile in the futures you're either going long or you're going short. All right, so in this type of arbitrage you're going to go long on the exchange with the lower price, and then you're going to short on the exchange with the higher price, and once the price actually converge, you close both positions at the same time, and in this process you can be able to make about 0.5 to 2% profit in this type of process. Okay, so let's take some examples. All right, now to also perform this arbitrage you need to actually spot it first. Okay, and the tool I actually use to spot the futures or perpetual arbitrage is actually my arbitrage scanner. All right, if I find other tools later on I'll still talk about them, but for now I usually use the arbitrage scanner to actually spot this type of arbitrage. Okay, so if you're hearing about the arbitrage scanner for the first time, I'll be dropping the link in the description section below. Okay, so on this particular arbitrage tool you get to find arbitrage opportunities across spot markets, and you also get to find arbitrage opportunities across futures and perpetual markets. Okay, so once you sign up you'll be given a day free trial on this particular tool. All right, and then if you log in you're going to click right here. Okay, and it will bring this menu box right here. Okay, so right here we're going to click on the arbitrage perpetuals. Okay, so we'll click on it this way and it's going to load up this way. All right, now right here you can basically see arbitrage opportunities across different futures markets. Okay, and it's actually going to tell you on the exchange you're going to actually buy from or you're going to long on, and also the exchange you're going to short on. Okay, and it also estimate the overall profit for you here to perform the arbitrage, and it also provides the entry slash exit spread. And if you look right here you also find the funding rate profit right here. All right, so let's pick an example right here, guys. So we have one between the Binance and Bybit crypto exchange. All right, and this is the pair right here. Okay, I'm looking at this line right here. So we're going to head over to our Binance futures market and also our Bybit futures market to look into this. So starting with the Binance, once you come to your Binance this way, you come to the features section right here. Okay, so you search for the token right here. So I already have that token here. All right, which is the Resolve USDT right here. Then we'll also head over to our Bybit crypto exchange. So I also have it right here on Bybit, and you can look at it right here. There's actually a price difference in these two features markets. Okay, you can see the one on Binance is actually at 0.1409, and the one on Bybit is at 0.1428. Okay, so basically you're going to go long on the Binance. All right, and then you're going to go short on the Bybit exchange. All right, so if you want to do this you use the cross margin and then you use a 1x leverage right here. All right, and then you also do the same on your Bybit. All right, you're going to use the 1x also. So this is just an explanatory video here. I'm going to do a live transaction maybe in my next video whenever I'm talking about this type of arbitrage. Okay, once you set your cross margin and your leverage this way, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you have the same amount of capital in both exchange for this. All right, so let's say you're going to be using 500 USDT for this. You keep 250 USDT on your Binance and you put 250 USDT in your Bybit. All right, now you're going to go long on the Binance. You're going to put in your 250 USDT right here, and then you click on the buy slash long right here. Okay, and then right here on Bybit, you're going to click on the short, all right, and you also put in the same amount right here. So you've shared your 500 USDT in both exchange, 250 on Binance and 250 on Bybit. Okay, so you're going short here and you're going long here. All right, now the thing is, once you do that, your trade will go depending on what the market is saying at that point. Okay, so remember, you go long right here, but if the market keeps dropping here, you're going to be on a loss right here on your Binance. Okay, but because you've also short right here on Bybit, you'll be on a profit. Okay, now the thing is, your positions will not be going at the same rate. Okay, the one on Bybit could actually be slower than the one on Binance. Okay, but then you find out that the one that's faster, you're going to make more profit that will also cover up for the loss you'll be making on the other one, and it will also make you a little more profit. Okay, so in this type of arbitrage, you're looking to lock in at most 2% to, let's say, 5% profit in this, and you make sure you close both positions at the same time to lock in your profit. All right, so I feel this is a bit still confusing, but if you've been trading the futures or the perpetual market for a while, you're going to actually understand what I'm trying to say right here. Okay, so this is actually the basic of how this particular arbitrage works. All right, and there are a lot of opportunities on it right here on your arbitrage scanner. So if you've been trading the futures market and you actually understand this very well, you can actually use the arbitrage scanner to get this type of arbitrage opportunities and actually perform them. Now, one thing you need to also check before you actually dive into this type of arbitrage, and one thing I really like about the arbitrage scanner for, is the entry slash exit spread right here. Okay, now this is basically telling you that someone has already tried this and they entered at about 4.44% profit, but they didn't actually make a profit at the end of the day. All right, so that's saying the positions didn't actually go well for this type of trade. Anyone you see with a minus this way, these are trades you should avoid if you're going to be using the signal. Okay, these actually have a low profit margin, but the funding rate is actually high right here. Okay, so I'm still going to make a lot more explanations about this in coming times, and I'll also make live videos about this and try it live so that I can get a basic understanding on it. Okay, but for now, just let me know what you think about this arbitrage. If you want me to talk more about it, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and one more thing is that if you're actually going to be using the arbitrage scanner, it has a subscription. Okay, and if you use my promo code interest, you're going to get 1 more month added to your subscription. All right, you can click right here on subscription to check out different plans on the arbitrage scanner. Okay, and also if you're not used to the features and perpetual arbitrage, you can also check out the spot market arbitrage and the cross exchange arbitrage signals right here. Okay, I've used this to actually make a lot of live cross exchange arbitrage videos, and I'll be dropping them in the description section below in case you want to check it out and know how the cross exchange arbitrage works live. Okay, so that'll be all for now. I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.